Hey, what's going on? It's Johnny Grooms. Today I have a product that I picked up for the purposes of the review. Now, when it comes to body hair, especially the sensitive areas down below, there are a few shavers that are made for this purpose. They're designed to go into the sensitive areas. And today, I'm going to be reviewing the Meridian. It is a body trimmer specifically designed to trim the more sensitive areas of your body. Your balls. Now, there is another company, Manscaped, and there's some other shavers that have ceramic blades. And ceramic blades are the blades you would want when you go into those sensitive areas. Because if you go with the metal blades on a trimmer and you angle it wrong, it's going to chew up your skin and it hurts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox the Meridian, bring the camera down, show everything in detail, and then give you a little demonstration on the product to show how it shaves sensitive skin. And then I'll bring it back up for my final thoughts. So let's bring the camera down. Okay, here is the box for the Meridian. Here's the front, top, side. Here's what's included. You get the trimmer, you get an easy snap-on blade, a USB charging cable, 2 adjustment guards, and a cleaning brush. And I got the Onyx black one. On the back, it gives you like a little mission statement. You can take a freeze frame of that and read it at your leisure. And goes through all the features: anti-nick shaving guard, super sensitive shaving tech, shock resistant, waterproof so you can shave in the shower, some replacement blades, and a 1-year warranty with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Very nice. So let's get this open. There it is. The Meridian shaver. This comes out. There's the first attachment. There's the second attachment right there. Your USB charging cord. User guide. And the cleaning brush. I like that everything's individually wrapped. I like that. First thing I want to do is see if it has any juice and to hear how loud or quiet the motor is. Not too loud. So these three lights are your battery indicator. All 3 means fully charged, 2 probably halfway, and first one is low. Pretty self-explanatory all around. It's got a nice soft texture to it. It feels pretty grippy all around. There's no difference in texture anywhere on it. The whole thing, it feels exactly the same. So I imagine this is not going to be slipping out of your hands when you're trying to use this in the shower. Obviously, of course, don't have any soap or shaving cream on your hands. They don't give you a charging brick, so you're going to have to find one yourself or plug it into a USB port outlet. Probably go ahead and blame Apple for getting rid of their charging bricks. Now every company is getting rid of their charging bricks or not including them in their devices. Here's the guard right here. Lets you know on the side here. Looks like that's 6mm and 3mm. And you got your 9 and 12-inch millimeter right there. What you do is pop this off, push down from here. Boom. And that pops off just like that. And then you can brush it, oil it up as you need. And then you're good to go. You just flip it back. It comes nicely oiled. And good to go again. Instead of bringing this into the bathroom and doing a proper demonstration, although YouTube wouldn't allow it, I got a tomato. So a tomato skin is very thin. So I'm just going to turn it on and push it against the tomato and see if it cuts the tomato. So let's go. All right. Okay, so you can see no nicks or cuts on the tomato, and as you can, I definitely pushed in deep. I got a little dent in there from the blade. Um, Very cool. So my tomatoes are good. Let's test it on the old arm here. All right, as you can see, I definitely like pushed down to see if it was gonna hurt at all, so I scratched myself. No pain whatsoever, and it is extremely close. Very nice shave. Okay, that was the Meridian trimmer. Let's bring it back up for my final thoughts. All right, so I'm back up top with the Meridian shaver, and yeah, it's a solid tool. My arm shaved down to the skin, very nice. No pain at all, no discomfort, no pulling or anything like that of my hair. My tomato, skin didn't get cut, which is what I was wanting to check. Wanted to see if this was going to eat up, the skin of the tomato. So that worked out very well. I tried to get a kiwi. It would have been better for visual aid, but they didn't sell one kiwi. It was like an entire crate of kiwis, and I don't really eat kiwis, so there's no reason for me to buy an entire crate of kiwis, which is the reason why I went with the tomato, because you can buy one tomato if you need to. But anyway, we're moving past produce here now, and we're going back to the shave. There are holes in the side here, and there's tabs here for the guard. That you just put them right in the hole. I would line up the first hole with the one tab, and then it just snaps in, and there you go. I wanted this to make a good beard trimmer. I can totally see this being a decent beard trimmer if I needed to use it. Let's say I'm traveling. This is a lot smaller than my current beard trimmer. It's waterproof, so I can do it in the shower. Shave my head, beard trim, body trim, all in the shower without having to leave. It makes things a lot easier. Normally, these run about $60. I got a Cyber Monday deal from Meridian, 30% off. So I did get it on sale. I'm going to leave a link to the website where you can pick up a Meridian shaver. If you like the contents of the video, like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Later.